So finally with the finale of Ash vs Leon part 4 partner. Finally we have the conclusion for Ash vs Leon battle, that who has become now the world champion, and that is our boy Ash Ketchum. Now talking about the episode was epic as hell. I can't deny a single frame used in this episode while animating. Like every frame from starting to the end were insane. Like Pokemon Journeys was saving all the money, all the budget only for this amazing episode, and that didn't disappoint it. I mean, if Ash has to win, this was the best choice taken by Pokemon Journeys, and I am not a single disappointed by any frame or a decision which they took for this episode. From the entering of Eternatus to the beginning of Ash and Leon battle, and the coming of Gigantamax Cinderace and fighting with Gigantamax Pikachu, and the return of all Ash Ketchum friends, Steve, May, Serena, Silent, Tracy, Iris, and everyone. I can't name everyone else. Yeah, Professor Oak and Alola gang, and many more people. Especially for the return of Misty and May. They were most needed because they haven't appeared in Pokemon Journeys for a single time. I knew that May cannot appear like or directly cheering of Ash. Reason was we all knew, because May, my voice actress, has some kind of or fever, and she was ill. So of course one can replace our original May voice actress, but still at least they return. That's what we wanted. And especially after that Pikachu movement, Pikachu was going down, closing his eyes. Everyone thought that Pikachu is gonna lose, and I also thought, because of course this is too much for that little guy, even when he is a legendary slayer. I understand, but yeah, of course it was understandable. And if at that point Pikachu has lost, I didn't had any complaints with Journeys, because that would be a satisfying ending. But what they have done after that, the return of all Ash Pokemons, and guys, they haven't forgotten Butterfree, Pidgeot, even Larvitar is there, Primeape is there, everyone is there. Concludes that Pokemon Journeys has not forgotten them, even when they are released for whatever stupid reason Pokemon is giving us. Okay. After that epic animating battle with Pikachu and Charizard, and with Charizard going down, now Ash is finally the world champion. Now the question arises, what comes next? Now, I mean, Ash has become now world champion. Now what is next? We all knew what is next. Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. But unfortunately it's still not confirmed that will Ash be there in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet or not. But 99% I'm definitely sure now that Pokemon Scarlet and Violet main protagonist will also be Ash Ketchum, because it's simple. Without Ash, nothing can be possible in Pokemon Journeys. He is the main protagonist, and he will always be the main protagonist. I don't care how much plot armor he uses. Use as much plot armor you can, but just be there in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. I really want some amazing battles, and I can't imagine or think, with the increase in budget again, how the animation will look like in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. And still 2 to 3 episodes are left for I guess 2 for Project Mew and 1 for that finale, where Ash will think about now where he has to go, just like Alola. Okay, the goodbye episode. So yeah, 3 more episodes left for the finale, and here are some photos which you can see, like some amazing, or you can say wow moment which appeared in this episode, which I captured. So yeah, I have to talk a lot more about this episode, but let's just in this episode right now. Let's talk more in the upcoming episodes, or you can say videos. Now for some important announcement. Number 1, I have made a separate channel named Pokies AMV, where the AMVs for even Pokemon or animes other than Pokemon will be uploaded on a single platform. Okay, so if you are an anime AMV fan, go on Pokies AMV. I will put all the links in the description. go and subscribe and wait for tomorrow's video. I mean after 12 it will be morning, so tomorrow only Ash vs Leon finale AMV video will be uploaded sharp 12:30 am. And if you watch any other anime other than Pokemon, then subscribe Otaku's Creation. You can check it from the channel section from my own channel Poki's Creation. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know what your thoughts on this episode and what do you guys think will be the future of Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Do let me know in the comment section, okay? That's mandatory. So see ya, have a good day, bye.